morning when we come in, we actually observe bird. We need to count how many birds are there, or there are any injured bird or any sick bird. If they are injured bird, you can see they can't fly. They always will be in the lower ground area or on the floor, or they are not moving. The sick birds are very hard to identify because the birds, when they are sick, they don't show their sickness to other birds, because if they are sick, the other bird will attack. So always they try to hide it. So what we need to see is we need to observe whether they are eating or not, whether they are in the same place every time. If you notice there is something wrong with this certain bird, then we catch them and we actually quarantine them. And then if it gets worse, then we have to bring to the vet. So the vet will give us some advice what to do next, and give vitamins, so antibiotics, all that. You see, in the wild, they have a very big open area. They can do whatever they want. They have many things they can do outside. They have trees, they have water, they have river, they have other birds. They can go anywhere. Naturally, they like to play around. Here, what we need to make sure, whatever they like outside, we have to provide everything inside here. Try to give them as much as possible. Like give them toys, many variety of toys what they like. We also need to put cutter bone to file their teeth, so it doesn't grow longer. So if it grows longer, they can't eat. So they have to go and keep filing their teeth. Whatever we have inside, we regularly change the cutter bone, and also we can give them calcium, etc. And we have vitamin from the vet, so time to time we also give them vitamin diluted in water and then to drink. 3 weeks ago, actually, Rinpoche went to one of the pet stores. Rinpoche was going around to see what they had. These budgies were kept in a very small cage, like 30-40 all together. Rinpoche felt very bad the way it was kept in a very dirty place. So Rinpoche asked us to go and rescue all of them. So now, after that, we brought them back here and we set up the aviary here. And we put all of toys, food, everything there, all around. So now they are very happy here. We need to be very extra careful when we rescue them. When we bring them here, we have to keep inside the cage for 2-3 days. Let them see what's outside, how it looks like, and open the door. Just leave it like this, and slowly release them one by one. You can see here one of this bird here. We noticed he's not very well. So I caught him, I put inside the cage. I have water, food, everything for him, so for recovery. Because they're in a small cage for many months or years. So the stronger one always get the food, the weaker one don't get food. Because they're in a small cage, they are like 30-40. The owner also cannot observe too many inside. Who's eating, who's not eating, they don't know. When we rescue them, we also can't say, because they're very difficult. They are moving too fast inside the cage. So when we bring them here, we are moving around, catching them, releasing them. Actually, they sometimes get heart attack or that, they die. If they die, what Rinpoche does is we recite a mantra for them. We put holy water, we give them a protected rice, we bury them in a safe place so they can rest.